Yeah. Hello everybody, it's me Adam. Today I'm going to teach you about remainders. This blue doesn't work. So you got to use the black. You got to give this black the respect. Now, the answer we sort of don't know yet. So we got to correct the box from last time. Right here, this is the box, okay? If you don't remember, you gotta check out the first video. And if you didn't, you gotta do it right now so you know what the heck I'm doing. Okay. Sorry, there's practically nobody in this place right now. Yeah, so I am going to tell you how to do placeholders. So you have, we're actually gonna not solve this problem for a special reason, because that's what teachers do. They try to explain to you placeholders and you never solve the problem. I'm joking. Sometimes they solve the problem, sometimes they don't. I'm sitting in a chair right now, that's why you can't see my face. And if you don't know, my avatar looks like a drawing of me because of me, and I wrote myself. Now you have to put 26, and then you put 100 right here, and 35. You see that? That's how you do it. We're not talking about that today. We're talking about these guys. We're talking about those. So now, so 2 times 1 is 2. And how many zeros are there? AKA placeholders. 3, so you put 3 placeholders. Put a comma, like last time, boom. 100, 1 times 6, 6, and how many placeholders are there? 2, and 100. So, you might be confused of, Adam, why are you so dumb, even though it's in your name? I'm not dumb. I'm very, very smart, even though my name is Adam. No. Oh, I've seen this. Yeah, I've seen it. I've seen it. It's funny. So, sorry for that interruption. So, yeah, 5 times 2 is 10, and 30 times 6, that's, I don't feel like saying it, so 30. Now add those all up together. You have your answer. Boom. Now we have to do we have to do 3 and 8. Sorry, let me bring this closer. See this closer? You can see it good now? Yeah, good. So now you see this? People think this is the answer. Yeah, so we had this one test where people think hold on, I'm gonna make that joke afterwards, sorry. So now you have this problem. So 8 plus 3, not times, plus it is 11. Up here, 3 ones equals 3. All 3Ds and 6 plus 6 is 12. So the answer is 15. And you have 3,510. Boom! You have your answer. Now, I have one thing to explain. Everybody needs to get this straight. So, 1 minus 4. This is how people would do it. But, this is the answer. And, in the grade you're in, most people don't do negatives. So, instead of -3, the answer is M. Wait, Daddy, is impossible spelled with an M or an N? M. Okay, impossible. Impossible with a big red exclamation mark if you're in the 4th grade. 5th grade, you could do this. I think it's 6 when you start this. But if you're in 4th grade, when you do this, the answer's freaking impossible. You know why? This can never happen. You got that? It's not this. Where's the black? Where's the black? Where's the black? Nah. I actually lost. Oh, please. Oh, it's right here. Sorry. Impossible. That's the answer, and you always have to remember that. So, when a child writes you, if a child does this on a problem, like a fill in the blank, and there's like numbers over here, and they don't go over here, so say it's like this. So we have to put 2. 2. Okay, so we got this organized. Put 3 here. But remember, the answer is impossible. 1 minus 4 in 4th grade is impossible. Okay? You got that? Good. This is how you are supposed to write it. Or maybe it's something else. I don't know. That's how you get 3. Not this. Because you all should remember what this answer is for the 4th grade. Impossible. With the exclamation mark. Impossible. So you can't do this. The only way you can get 3 in these 2 problems is this. Sorry. This is this. Yes, this is the only way to get 3. Not negative. Well, if you're doing like with a 4 and a 1, this is the only way you could get 3. This is what some people write. Red means wrong, except for the check marks. So I'm going to write over right here, 1 minus 4, equals 3. I was grading papers like this. I'm ashamed. Because this doesn't make sense in 4th grade. This doesn't make sense. No. This. So say you have 4 problems, and the 4 problems are like normal addition and what? No, Dad, I'm trying to explain something. You did it wrong.
But it's not impossible.
No, I'm talking about if you're in the 4th grade.
That's not impossible.
You don't learn it in 4th grade yet.
Just make a number line.
We're doing that in the next video, Daddy.
0, 1, 2, 3. -1. That's a -2. -3. We start off with 1. We subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. Brown chicken, brown cow.
Daddy. That's for tomorrow.
A little preview for the next lesson.
Yes, thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, son.
But that's not what I'm trying to explain right here. Even though I got off topic for a little bit. I'm saying is, in the 4th grade, not a lot of people know what negatives are. So practically, if a person actually has to actually say it says four cookies. People who get this wrong in the comment section below. 4 cookies. 4 cookies. Then 1. No, I actually have to spell it. Sorry. I'm moving this a lot. So 1 was 10. Right? The equation. Sorry if I spelled it wrong. And solve it. Boom. Okay. So this. I think I'm bleeding. No, I'm kidding. So it says how I wrote it. 4 cookies. 4 cookies, and then 1 was eaten. Write the equation and solve it. This will get you, and this is the problem that will get you out of elementary school, which almost everybody hates. So now the answer is 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 cookies. And you actually have to write cookies. So cookies. This gets you the 2 points. 3, 4. The 4 points you need. 4 out of 4 to get out of No, hold on. The 4 points you need to get out of elementary school. But you do it extremely wrong and do this. This video is more like, hey, this is what some people's mistakes might do. 4 minus 1 equals 3. That's what people say, and they don't have to spell it right. Cookies. So they get 1 out of 4. 3 out of 4 that pass, they failed. It's like a big. Okay, wait, hold on. So, if you don't see this, I don't know what you're doing. It's like a big F. Dang it, I actually wrote it backwards. What? Okay, hold on. Sorry. I meant to write it. That was an F. F equals fail. F minus. That's how bad they did. No. They just failed. I can't give it that bad. Great. F. They got an F. Good job. Good job, dude. You got an F. Which means you have to stay in elementary school for another year. Now, let's get back to what we were doing. Yes, so this thing will actually confuse a lot of minds. We're going to go off from simple to hard. We're only doing hundreds, we're only doing zero placeholders, one placeholder, two placeholders. So we're only doing ones, tens, hundreds, thousands today. So now the main focus today is, and also we're going to be doing 2 digits. So the main number is 8. You have to remember that. So times. So it's 1 times 8. What does that equal? So I actually have to put them all the way over here. Look over here if you want to know. 1 times 8. Wait, hold on. 1 times 8. 8. 10 times 8. AD. How many placeholders are there? 1. Now, times 108. Now, I'm going to put, you might be wondering, Adam, what the heck is wrong with you, dude? There's 2. There's 2. So, see, 1, 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2, done. Now, I'm going to switch it. Now we're doing thousands. Now we're doing 1,000 times 8. 8,000. 8,000. 8,000. Because there's 1, 2, 3 placeholders. There's 1 8, which makes up the 4th space. 3 zeros. We're good, right? Yeah, we're good. Now let's do 2 digits. Now we're gonna skip ones, so let's just go automatically to this. We're doing 80 times 10. 8 times 1? 8. How many placeholders, you might say? 1. No, you idiot. There's 2. 1, 2 placeholders. See, you have to know this. See, we're going to keep going and going and going. Sorry I called you an idiot. But hey, now we're going to be doing, so it's 100 times AD. What is this? 8 times 1? 8. How many placeholders? 3. 1, 2, 3. You have to count all the zeros, put it down with this 8. And then count over 3, you have yourself a column. Now we have to go a step further. 1,000 times 80. Now, 8, because 1 times 8. Now, how many placeholders? 4. Now, this gets you an answer of 80,000. Boom! Technique. Put 80 down here, only put 1 0. 80 down, 2 zeros. 80 down, 3 zeros. Yeah. Pretty simple. And if you have 3-digit number. So, yes. Now, I am going to show you a math problem you actually have to solve. And I want you guys, if you guys think that this is way too hard or you want to learn some more, leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, here's your thing of the day. So I'm going to write boom. This is a high number times do this in your head. You could solve it at home. You got some paper with you. Yeah. And also, in the next video, I will tell you what the answer is. Yeah. Have a nice life.